Hello YouTube, welcome back to my little video channel. Firstly, I do apologise, I'm not been on my bike for 8 weeks nearly. Oh, so sad. Unfortunately, it's not been the weather here in the UK, very cold and wet, but this morning it's pretty dry on the roads, not totally dry, but hey ho, I just can't help myself. I need a little ride out. The roads are not too bad, very cold though. It looks nice and sunny, but believe me, it's bloody cold. But I needed to get out on the bike. Can't believe it's been 7 or 8 weeks without actually riding. What a sad man. So I decided to bite the bullet today and go for a ride. Only for a quickie though, about 20 miles or so. Just get the old bike running. Just unfortunately, in the next week or so, I'll move out of my place, so the bike's just going to be stood for about 2 months again without riding it.